In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off age restriction on YouTube. Let's get right into the video. So guys, the first thing you have to do is you're gonna open your YouTube. After you open your YouTube, you're gonna click your profile icon in the top right corner. Just gonna click on that. After that, you're gonna see settings in the bottom. You're just gonna click on that. After that, if you see the restricted mode on, just turn it off and it should work. And a lot of people say this works for me, like it works 100%, and you should try this and it's gonna work. If this didn't work for you, just go back to YouTube, and after that you're gonna click your profile icon again. Just click it, and after that you're gonna click manage your Google account. Just click that. After that you're gonna click personal info, and you're gonna click your birthday. Okay, just wait. After that you're gonna click the pencil icon. Just click on that, and you're just gonna change it. If you're not 18, just change the year right here, or the date. If you don't have to change the date or the months, just change the year. Like if you're not born, like if you're born like 2004 stuff, just change it to 2000 or 1994 stuff. And this is the only way it works, like the two ways it works. Just try it and it should work 100%. And if this works for you, let me know in the comment section. And if this helped you out, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and peace.